Welcome to Homework Lib.
What we're going to have is a giant ball, a ball that is falling off a giant table at a velocity of 15 meters per second. We know that it takes 3 seconds for the ball to drop from at little height, 3 seconds, and with this we want to know what is the height of the table. For the purpose of this question, I'm going to take the value of g equal to minus 10 meters per second squared, just to simplify our calculations, and then we can proceed. So over here, what we're dealing with is with the movement on y. What we know is that at time 0, the height is going to be equal to h, and we know that the y at 3 seconds, the height is going to be equal to 0. So from our equations of motion, we're going to put the initial value of y plus the initial velocity on y times time plus 1/2 of acceleration times squared. In this case, the initial velocity on the y-axis is going to be 0 because the ball is only moving on the horizontal, so it's going to have no component on the y-axis on velocity. So with this information, we can replace y0 minus 1/2 of g times squared. This needs to be equal to 0, so y0 is going to be equal to 1/2 of gravity times squared. And what is the time that we got? 3 seconds. So y0 is going to be equal to 1/2 gravity, which is 10 meters per second squared, times 3 squared, which is 9. Well, let's put it 3 seconds squared. So this is 90 divided by 2, so 45 meters. And this is going to be our final answer over here.